Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andreea. For those of you who are new in here, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to talk about some new products that I've been trying, and I thought I should just incorporate all the fall favorites, including skincare, makeup, clothing, and jewelry. So let's get into it. Okay, I'm starting with these two products from Augustinus Bader. Recently received them. Of course, I'm a sucker for packaging, although these are huge, you guys. They're very heavy, huge. I like that it's refillable. So in here you've got the eye serum, the eye cream, sorry. And then here is the serum. I really love both of them. I have to tell you, the serum, it's incredibly hydrating and it's packed with antioxidants that are targeting, the main problems that we have with the skin, like discoloration, wrinkles, but especially dehydration. So this serum really nourishes the skin very well, and what I like about it is that it gets into the skin so fast, and the skin feels like a nice pretty peach afterwards. The eye cream, it is hydrating. I haven't noticed any extraordinary improvements other than really good hydration, and it also works under makeup. Sometimes what I've noticed, and it happens with a lot of eye creams, after you apply them and then you come with the concealer, it starts to peel. It forms like little crumbles. I don't know if you've experienced that with an eye cream before, but I definitely did, and I dislike that feeling because then you have to take everything off. Another skincare product is this hand mask. I mean, we have to admit that after the whole sanitizing gel and everything that we put on our hands that have so much alcohol, I think it's great to take care of our hands. And I know that so many of us are crazy about skincare from here up, but I have always encouraged you to use hand cream and also the heel cream, which you guys know that I'm obsessed with. It's from Fenty Skin. They suggest you to apply this at night. And actually that's how I use it. I apply thin layer. You'll see it's not thick, but you could feel that it pampers your hands. It's like you've put your hand into this super luxurious product. Feels super nice. Definitely recommend you to use this at night if you don't really like that creamy, slippery feeling on your hands. Also wanted to suggest you a cuticle oil. Although this is not just for autumn, but I've been crazy for cuticle oils because my hands are pretty dry, and obviously because I'm filming so many videos in here and I want my hands to be nice and looking clean. So cuticle oil is really important. Recently started to use this one from Kure Bazaar, and I'm super happy with it. Another new product is this GloWish by Huda Beauty. This is maybe not that new, but it's definitely new for me. I've recently started to use it. I'm not sure if this product is supposed to be a setting powder or it's a highlighter because it's not completely matte and it's so fine. What this product was meant to be doing is set your makeup in place and also give you the slightest like luminosity. This is not fully matte, so maybe if you are very oily, you might not like this. However, it sets the makeup in place really nice. You use this, your makeup will not move. I like to apply this mostly in here, not so much under my eyes. I feel like when I apply it under the eyes, the way I would normally apply a powder, it kind of emphasizes the wrinkles. So I like to keep this more like on the highest points of the cheeks, forehead, where I want more luminosity. Another one from GloWish by Huda Beauty is the blush. You guys, the blushes are so nice. Again, they're not matte. This is a powder blush. It has a little bit of glow, which I think that now, in autumn, maybe you want to stay away from too creamy, too liquidy products. I love this. It's very subtle and the colors are really beautiful. Today I was using number 1 Healthy Peach. I've talked about this face palette in my previous video. This is the Nudegasm from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's perfection. I love this palette so much, so much. Although this is not matte. I mean, every single color in here, you can see it is not matte at all. But you've got a contour shade, you've got a bronzer, a blush, and highlighter. The formula, the colors, the way it blends, I don't know, it's just so beautiful. I love this palette beyond words, and you're probably going to see me using this again because you know how I am. When I love something, I overuse it. I had quite a few options for eye palettes, but I think this is like, this is my favorite one because I love these colors, especially this plummy one right here and the one next to it and the one above, like right here. I truly love this palette. It's the new one from Dior in Plum Neutrals. And actually, this is what I'm wearing. I really wanted to try this palette. I'm always impressed with these palettes because you don't expect Dior to have this much pigment, but they actually do. I've applied first the primer, and then I was using this color right here, this color right here, and this one right here to create what you see right now. Like, I think the colors are really pretty and appropriate for autumn. However, I don't think there's any matte one in here. No, there's absolutely not even one single matte eyeshadow right here. This one in the middle, oh, I've used this one in the middle too, I forgot. Beautiful, I've applied it right here. Light pink, and it's nice, small, fits everywhere. I think with the cold season, I tend to go more towards like plummy or more like cinnamon colors. And I was also using this Gucci eye pencil. This is in Bordeaux. Wine color, but it has a shimmer again. I love a matte skin, I guess, but I like shimmery eyes. When it comes to the lipstick, this is a new one for me. I don't know when exactly Charlotte Tilbury launched this, but so nice. It's what I'm wearing. What is the color, babe? You know. Wearing Beauty, something like this. You will find everything that I talk about in my description down below. Another product that is also like in that plummy aubergine family is this lip maximizer from Dior. And they have this in different colors. I think on top of lipstick, it just looks amazing. It gives a little bit of shine to the lips and also hydrates them. But then if you apply it on its own, let me show you. It's really not that dark at all. It's really beautiful. In terms of jewelry, you guys, I've been so crazy about these earrings. These are Fiona from Cinco, of course. Every single piece of my jewelry is from Cinco. Can you get me closer, please? I think that now when we're going to wear like chunky sweaters and coats and trench coats, you do need bigger pieces of jewelry, like bigger earrings, totally fit. And I love this. I love them. They look quite solid. However, they're not heavy at all. Look at my ear. Like sometimes, you know, if the earring is too heavy, it will pull your ear down like this, but not the case with this. You do not feel them. I love them. I think it goes with everything. You have 15% off at Cinco with my code for whatever product you want to get. Now we're going to change it to clothes. And when it comes to clothing, I have invested in a few pieces that I think I'm going to wear over and over again, like this gray jumper. It's too bad that you cannot touch and feel how nice this jumper is. You know, there are some jumpers, even if they are cotton, they have that almost like cold feeling to it. When you touch them, it doesn't give you the feeling like you want to wear them. The fabric is so soft. It's from Arket, recent purchase. This is in size small. And I wanted to show you what it looks like on the inside. It has a very nice, soft touch to it. I love, 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 love it. I think that the simple pieces that are well made, that have a beautiful cut, I love this oversized feeling to it. Maybe I should have gotten a medium. I'm still stuck to my small sizes, but this is definitely cut a little bit oversized, so that's why I took the small. This goes with jeans, leggings in my case now. And you put on a really nice coat, like a neutral color coat, and you make it look really nice and cozy and stylish and chic. Another thing that I've recently bought, and I just realized how huge they look in the camera, but they're only size 37, so they're not really that big. These are Gia, I'm not sure if I pronounce her name right, Gia Borghini or Gia Borghini, but these boots, the comfort, I love the chunkiness, I love the edge that it gives to every single one of my outfits. Listen, now that I'm pregnant, I don't have a lot of options, and I definitely cannot wear heels like I used to, so these are not just practical, but I'm gonna put them on and you'll see how nice they look. They're true to size. Wear them with like short skirts or like big oversized sweaters with a nice shirt underneath. I think these are a great investment. They're leather. I'm gonna wear them for many years from now. I've already wore them for at least 10 times since I got them. Another piece of clothing that I've recently got is this coat. This is cashmere and wool from the Curated. And I've known about the Curated. Look at these. I love the pockets. I'm gonna put it on and you'll see exactly what this looks like. It's in the color bone. I've known about the Curated for a few years now, and I've already bought myself a coat from them in camel. I don't know if you guys remember that one. I love it, and I wore it so much. I got so much use out of that coat that I was thinking, okay, I think I need a lighter one, and I got this one in size small. It comes with a belt. My other one, the camel one, is in size extra small, but honestly, I want to be able to wear like a blazer underneath this, or like a chunkier sweater, and not have that tight feeling. Plus, you know, I love oversized stuff. You know, in winter, sometimes we're wearing a lot of very dark clothes, like a lot of black, a lot of brown, and I feel like this color in particular, it will just lift me up and it will elevate the outfit, whatever outfit I would wear. Another super nice jumper that I love. I've been obsessively wearing this. It's from Anine, is that how you pronounce it? Bink, you can find the name right here. And you've probably seen me wearing this in one of my previous videos. This is so cozy and so nice, and I don't know, I love this gray. It's like a charcoal gray. This type of gray looks good on absolutely everyone. And I don't know what it is about this style, but I love it. It looks young, but in the same time, it's cool. The fabric is nice. It's like soft and cuddly. And it works with black, with jeans. Obviously, I would definitely wear these with jeans and then a pair of cool sneakers, a cap, a nice coat on, and you'll look like a Parisian basically. And I think I will get a lot of use out of this. Although it was more on the pricier side. I got this from Galeries Lafayette, but I'm gonna find a link for you where you could purchase it. I've just got this shirt from Arket. Actually, let me take the tag off. Literally got it the other day. I really wanted a very long shirt. This is super long. I will put it on so you see. I wanted a long shirt that I could use, you know, under very big sweaters or vests like this. This is another recent purchase. It's from H&M. Could also wear this vest with a white shirt, like a nice white shirt. This is very long. And I don't know about you, sometimes I feel that a sweater, like a very big chunky sweater, I feel like it's suffocating me because I'm so petite. And if it's big in here and also has like big, you know, sleeves, oh, this is too much. And I actually love the fact that it does not have sleeves, but it's still very, very cozy and warm. And you guys, the combination between this vest and the Gia boots that I've just showed you, it's perfection. Like so, so nice. Another vest that I got also in black from H&M as well is this V-neck one. This is shorter, a little bit shorter. I'll show you what this one looks like on me. Really nice again. This one has more of a thinner fabric, a little bit more on the oversized style. This is in size small, and the other one is in size medium. The shirt, however, I'm gonna get back to the shirt. I had one already in black, but I've worn it so much that, you know, I felt like I needed to buy a second one. It has the most beautiful fabric. I love Arket shirts. Honestly, I have bought some much more expensive shirts from Net-a-Porter, and the quality, it is very, very similar with Arket. Every single time I'm looking for nice shirts, I would always go back to Arket. This is the oversized one in size 36, and you'll see it's pretty big on me. Alright guys, and that was it. These were my new products for fall that I recommend. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed already for more videos like this or for makeup tutorials. Follow me on Instagram. I do an update about my pregnancy usually on Sundays because I really don't want to change the topics. I want to maintain you know, the beauty, skincare. However, it's such a beautiful part of my life now that I love to keep you guys updated about the pregnancy and the things that I get for the baby. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!